Sesame Street Cookie Monster's foodie truck. To start, press the play button. Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster.
I'm Chef Gong, and we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street.
Chop, 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 choppity chop, chop. Then I put it into the oven to bake. Gongs away! Go ahead! Click to gong the gong. It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Oscar.
Launch the catapult! Oscar, it's pizza time!
What do you want to make next? Go ahead, Abby's apple pie. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, water, butter, salt, apples, sugar, and cinnamon.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing cinnamon.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the forest.
We on our way to the forest. Whoop.
We're going to get cinnamon. We're here at the forest.
Cinnamon comes from tree bark. Click the trees to collect the cinnamon.
Yay, you got one. There's another. Let's get cooking.
To make apple pie, first put flour. Yep.
Now add water
Then add some butter. Yep.
and a little bit of salt. Then we mix to
That's good mixing. Next, roll out. Uh-oh. This is starting to look like cookie.
Now we chop the apple.
Cowabunga.
Chop, 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 choppity chop, chop.
Then add sugar.
And cinnamon. Next, I'll put the dough on top and then bake. Gong the gong. Go ahead. Click to gong the gong. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Abby.
Launch the catapult. Abby, you got some apple pie coming. What shall we make now?
Big Bird's cornbread. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, corn, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and oil.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing corn.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the farm.
We on our way to get corn.
Whoa, Cookie Monster, pay attention.
We on our way to get corn.
We're here at the farm.
Collect the corn. Go ahead. Click to collect the corn.
Yay, you got one.
More corn.
Yay, you got Now, let's make some food.
To make cornbread, first put flour.
Now, we shook the corn.
Then put corn in bowl.
Next, add egg.
Then add sugar.
And a little bit of salt.
Yep. Next, add some baking powder.
Now add some milk.
Yep. Then add some oil. Mix it all together. That good mixing.
Then I put it into the oven to bake. Gongs away! Go ahead! Click to gong. It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Big Bird.
Launch the catapult!
Here comes some cornbread, Big Bird.